What's up, everybody? The litter is on the ground. What's up, Zoe? That's my girl, Zoe. She good. Yeah, girl. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. A whole litter of bullies. Yeah. Everybody eating, getting fat. Just like they're supposed to. Healthy babies. Look at that boy. Only got 2 boys, 5 girls. And I know that boy there is a male. Because I'm thinking about keeping him. But yeah, guys. It's my girl, Zoe. Spoiled self. Let me see your baby right there sleepy. So spoiled. Look at you, girl. You're so spoiled, mama. She's a blue brindle. Actually, if you guys know about Carolina Bully Farms, this is Khaleesi. This is a dog I bought from Cody and his dad, Khaleesi. She's off of, what is it, Mo Money and Miss Country. This is Mo Money and Miss Country's daughter right here. This is what they say. But at least you guys see what's coming out of this yard. Right? All right, so I'll take you guys to meet the father. Excuse the mess. Pardon the mess. His outside kind of really nasty right now. I'll get out there and clean it this afternoon. We don't keep him in there. Let's just go and play now. What's up, buddy? That's it. Look at the father. Yeah. ABKC registered. Come here, Tank. Come here, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Sit. Good boy. Come on, let's go ahead and do a run. Show them how fast you are. They say bullies can't move. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on, Tanky. Show me what's up. Yeah, buddy. Nope. Nope. Oh, nope. 13 inches from the ground, if that. Absolute beast. Look at the shoulder mass. Come here. Yeah. My dog got a 6-pack, bro. Motherfucker got a 6-pack. Nope. I want to show y'all how fast this dude really is. Stick here. Something I can use. Okay. Hey, watch it. Watch it. Look at it, boy. Oh shit, wrong way. Anyway, failed attempt. I just want to show y'all guys the litter's on the ground. It's my boy Tank. Nice, compact. That's what you guys can expect. This litter's almost sold, so if you're interested, just let me know. Hit me up.